The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for Montgomery County in Maryland until 7:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located in Montgomery County, moving south at 100 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Expect damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Rockville, Silver Spring, Calverton, Gaithersburg, Chevy Chase, Laytonsville. Take cover now. Move to an interior room in the lowest floor of a building. If outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter. Avoid windows,